it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life, and in today's video we'll be sharing with you all what we get up to while we're here in London. I've just had an amazing surprise to know where we are. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're more than welcome. Need to keep a few more surprises from you though.
And Sarah's having her own holiday, isn't she, ma'am?
She is, because of what we've got planned for you for your 21st birthday. So it was advised for Sarah to have her own holiday at one of the amazing borders that guide dogs have.
And she loves spending time with you, doesn't she, ma'am?
She really does. She knows John.
Yeah.
She's been there a couple of times, and John and Sarah are having a fantastic time together.
They really are.
Sarah's having a well-deserved holiday.
Of course she is. We've just got off the train, freshened up, and I think it's now time to go have some dinner.
I think that's a great idea.
Come on then. Just ordered, really can't wait.
Looking forward to everything as well.
Yeah. Do the olives.
They are so good.
Just love the spices and the flavours. Wow, they're incredible.
Raisins and tomato.
Yes, please. Ooh.
They're so good.
They really are. Here's the balls. Hummus.
Try the hummus as well.
Next is
Vegan garlic parsley spread. Good, isn't it? Shall I get a dough ball with some of the tomato?
yes, please. Oh.
It's good, isn't it? So lovely. Did you choose a favourite?
Can you, mum?
Nope. Do you enjoy them?
Yeah. Just about to try the banana. Oh, it smells lovely.
Amazing. Is that good? The flavours are lovely. Wow.
That's absolutely incredible, isn't it?
It really is.
Wow. Enjoy it now, mum?
It's a great idea.
Here's some ginger cake.
It's a lovely taste of ginger.
It's incredible.
It's really good.
Mum and I are just about to go to Pret to see what vegan options they have for breakfast. We thought to take you all along with us. Shame about that, Pret. There's nothing really like vegan. There's only one sandwich.
There's only one sandwich, so we're going to try somewhere else.
Yeah. We'll take you along with us too. I love breakfast hunt.
We'll find something.
We will. Really happy. Can't believe that Leon do vegan sausage muffins.
That's it. So we're going to go and enjoy them now.
Yeah. So we've got vegan sausage muffins, hash browns. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough hash browns, but they gave us a vegan chocolate chip cookie instead. So I can't wait for that, can you?
I'm really looking forward to it.
Here it is. Oh, smells lovely. That's so amazing. The vegan sausages are so delicious.
Try one of the hash browns. They look amazing. It all looks and smells so good.
Oh, that's so delicious. We've just finished our breakfast and got ready, and we thought we'd take you all along with us.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things. In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet.
Join your vegan cookies and cream.
Frappuccino, yeah.
I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now they're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down.
Show me light, show me love, make a change, time is up, we can.
We're here at the History Museum.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night?
Narrow streets and dusty roads I've lingered on for far too many years. I wandered down the city, taking pity on myself through my fears. All this place ever gave me was a boot upon my face when I was down. Give me back my liberty, I'll take my first step to where I'm bound. And like an arrow I will soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place.
It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now.
Here's the fluffer up. Oh, it smells amazing. The falafel's so delicious. And all the vegetables too. This is so lovely.
The dressing of it.
Here's a pumpkin cinnamon cake. Oh, it smells amazing.
Amazing.
Oh, that's so moist.
So moist. That is so good. We were so hopeful of looking at vegan options here, weren't they? Everything's marked, but we didn't realise that. We went straight up to the counter, didn't we?
Yeah.
And they just went through everything we could have. And then when Dad and I went to go and get it, we could see that everything's marked vegan.
It's amazing and it's so delicious. It's not too sweet either, is it?
It's not too sweet. And it's lovely for us to have a choice of two cakes. Wow.
Now I'm going to try the blueberry banana cake. Oh, it smells amazing.
Really nice taste of banana. Nice. Now comes a nice taste of blueberry.
Wow, that's amazing, isn't it? It's amazing, Mum, the rail here.
It is really good. Some of the signs are brown with them.
Hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong.
It's so great to be back here by the Royal Albert Hall, isn't it, Mum?
It really is. It brings back such lovely memories of when you filmed a special episode of Melody here.
It really does.
You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
Biscuit milkshake. Wow. That's delicious.
So it's worth fighting for. I'm standing on an empty rooftop, finding out where to begin. Time to let go, give up, give in.
The mac and cheese topping. Get some macaroni now. Oh, go slow. Ooh, that's delicious. Yeah, add the garlic parmesan wings. Nashville hot. Yeah. Buffalo burger. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? It really is. Enjoy everything. We really enjoyed taking you all along with us for our time in London.
It's been amazing and so lovely to have everyone come along.
We really hope you all enjoyed it too. Thank you so much.
1 minute. We're not going home.
Really?
Really. We're all packed. We are leaving the hotel now. It is early, but there's another surprise. As it's not your 21st until tomorrow. You've got another surprise.
I can't wait. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you've ever been to London. Or if you haven't, what would you like to do if you ever get the chance to visit London? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care!
Okay, so shall we go?
Yeah, come on then. I really can't wait to find out where we're going.
Oh, we're family. Wherever you go, I'll follow. Or I will give my